How to take 2 pictures on BeReal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to take 2 pictures on BeReal. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the BeReal app, let's first visit the app store right here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and search for BeReal. So what we're going to do here is to check if our app is up to date. If it says open right here, that means that your BeReal is currently up to date and you're good to go. However, if it shows an update button, that means that you have to update your BeReal app because it is currently outdated. And updating it will have you the latest features, such as the feature of being able to take 2 pictures as your BeReal post. So once you have made sure of that, let's just head on and open up BeReal right here. So if you now have the chance to take your BeReal, just tap on the notification or the button right here at the My Friends tab. So just click on that and it will automatically open up your camera page. You can also switch or flip your camera by clicking on this icon right here, right beside the shutter button, and you can also turn on the flash if you like. And so that there's also an option right here that will zoom in or zoom out your photos. So to take 2 pictures on your BeReal, actually it is a built-in feature of BeReal to take 2 pictures automatically or simultaneously as you tap on the shutter button. So it will simultaneously take a picture from your back camera and your front camera. So that makes it 2 pictures collaged into one post on BeReal. So I'm just gonna click on the shutter button right here before the timer runs out at the top. So just gonna click on it. So like that is how you can basically take 2 pictures on BeReal. So just click on send if you wanna post it on your BeReal account. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.